Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. You are watching Study with Sir Shiraz, and in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the role of chemistry in achieving the sustainable development goals. In the last lecture we discussed about the sustainable development goals. Basically these are the set of 17 goals that were given by UN in 2015 and they were aimed to be achieved by 2030. So we are going to look at how chemistry can help in achieving these goals. So the first one point is the zero hunger. So zero hunger was the first goal in the SDG. Chemistry basically linked with the developing fertilizers and pesticides, improving food preservation and packaging, and enhancing the soil chemistry. So basically chemistry helps to develop fertilizers that may increase the crop yield. It helps to develop the pesticide that may protect the food and the crops from the spoilage and all other techniques that are used to preserve the food and prevent the spoilage of the food. The second point is the good health and well-being. So drug design and synthesis, understanding biochemistry behind the disease and drug action and diagnostic tools. So pharmaceutical chemistry is basically the base of all the drug development in the pharmaceutical industries. Apart from that, chemistry helps to understand the biochemistry of the drug development and the action of drugs in the bodies of the living organism. So in this way, the chemistry helps to achieve the good health and well-being of all the people across the globe. The next point is the affordable and clean energy. Chemistry helps to develop the efficient catalyst, development for fuel cells, solar panels, and development of the efficient batteries. Basically, chemistry is involved in the development of such catalysts that help to improve the processes that are related to the energy production. Apart from that, chemistry has introduced a new type of cells that are called the fuel cells that may be used anywhere and that are totally environment friendly. Chemistry has played a very important role in the development of the semiconductors that are extensively used in the development and the manufacture of the solar panels. The solar energy is totally renewable type of energy and that is free from any kind of pollution. And apart from that, chemistry helps to improve the functioning of the lead storage batteries, protect them from the damage and wear and tear over the time. The next point is the industry, innovation and infrastructure. Chemistry helps to develop the industrial catalyst that make the industrial processes more environment friendly and more efficient. Development of the nanomaterials for electronics and construction and smart materials just like the polymers for the strong and reliable infrastructure development. The next point is the responsible consumption and production. So development of biodegradable plastics and polymers, green chemistry processes and waste to energy processes. Basically chemistry helps in the development of the biodegradable plastic and polymers because world is facing the issues of the environmental pollution and the non-biodegradable plastics are very harmful for the environment. So chemistry has played a very important role in the development of the biodegradable plastics and polymers. Apart from that, world has moved toward the principles of the green chemistry. Green chemistry basically ensures the environment friendly chemicals and environment friendly processes that help to eliminate the environmental pollution. And lastly, chemistry has played a very important role in the development of the biofuels. We have a separate video on the biofuels and that explains what are biofuels and how biofuels are environment friendly and why the world is so much focused on the biofuels. That video is present at the end of this video, so you must watch that video to understand about the biofuels. The next point is the clean water and sanitation. So chemistry has helped in the water purification by the use of the ion exchange resins. Ion exchange resins are basically the semi-permeable membranes that help to remove the water pollution. Use of the low-cost chemical disinfectants like the chlorine. So chlorine is used in the disinfection of water at a very low cost and the reduction of water pollution. Reduction of water pollution is very much important and that is done by the using the concepts of the chemistry. Climate action. Developing carbon capture and storage material. You people have heard about the sieves that are used in the chimneys of the kilns. That sieves help to trap the carbon particles in reducing the air pollution. So that are developed by the principles of the chemistry. Green fuels, the fuels that are environmental friendly, just like the ethanol and biodiesels. And developing the eco-friendly coolants and the refrigerants. You people have heard about the use of chlorofluorocarbons in the past era, and that has caused the ozone depletion. So now the chemistry is focused at developing the refrigerants that are very much environment friendly, and there is no chance of the ozone depletion. So this was all about the role of chemistry in achieving the sustainable development goal. So if you have any question related to this video, you can post your question in the comment section. We would meet in the next video. Up till then, Allah Hafiz.